Camping tips and tricks every explorer should know. When did you last go camping? Camping is a wonderful way to return to nature, relax, and reflect on life. There are no coworkers to deal with, no distracting television is available, and you can simply relax. Read the information here for tips to help you fully enjoy your next camping expedition. Pre-cool your ice chest by filling it with loads of ice, at least 6 hours prior to departure. When you are about to leave, pack up your refrigerated cooled drinks and block ice, not cubed. Popping room temp beverages will take up valuable ice life, and the cubes will melt much quicker than a block. Those big, colorful plastic storage bins make excellent places to store and organize all of your camping gear. While at home, keep it in a closet or the garage, and right before you leave for your camping trip, pop it in the trunk. It should keep everything airtight, dry and easily accessible. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. If you are traveling with children, consider staying at a campground that is specifically designated for families. Campers in these areas know what to expect and will not have an issue if you have a cranky toddler or your children want to run around, scream and play. You will probably be more relaxed as a result and have a better time. A camping trip can go well with the help of the advice shared here. The ideas presented here are but a handful of the tips, tricks and techniques you can use to rock it out in nature. So, always be alert and open to new ideas each and every time you head for the outdoors. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.